How to refund a payment on Patreon. First things first, for you to be able to get here, just simply use your preferred web browser and on your search bar, just simply type in patreon.com. Now, once you're here, all you have to do next is just simply log into your account. Now, once you logged in, all you have to do is to go to settings, and then under settings, these are going to be your basic options for you to be able to have access on your settings. Now, for you to have access on your billing history, go to more and go to billing history. Now, these are going to be all the transactions that you did on Patreon. So say for example, you want to like have a refund on that specific billing history. You'll just have to click on that specific option and then go to more and then click on refund. So that's it. That's how easy you can get a refund on Patreon.